Well, y'all, I'm going to make a pair of earrings using all these. Well, not all of them, but most of them. So let's get started. I'm going to put a little blue bead on. And one of these. It's a little bead cap. It's not much bigger than the bead I just put it on top of. And then one of these. And I'm not sure, they're like 10 millimeter. Yeah, about 10 millimeter. And those I think are either 3 or 4. Put another bead cap on. Put another blue bead on. Let's pick up a bead cap. I want it going the other way. Put one of our blue beads on. It's about a 6 by 4. Put a bead cap on and another blue bead. That's what it's going to look like. And I'm going to cut it about a 1/2 inch up. Maybe not quite a 1/2 inch. Oh yeah, it's about a 1/2 inch. And I just curled it down. I want to keep going till it meets. Right there. Alright, let's do another one. Whoops, wrong end. And this is a head pin. Take our bead. Take one of these bead caps. Our 10 millimeter crystal. One going the other way, so it encase that bead. And we need one of these. Oh, wrong way. You want it to cradle your bead. Oh, I dropped it. They're tiny. Then this one. Put one on the top of it. And there. Took me more time laying out the stuff than it really takes to make a set of earrings. Because you gotta go through and figure out what you want to make it. And these are easy. Anybody can make them. Just some head pins and some beads. You don't want big hole beads because they'll fall off. So So if you happen upon this and you've never made jewelry before, just go to, let's say, like a craft store, and they'll have a selection of different things. Just don't get beads that have holes in them bigger than your head pin, or they'll fall off. This would be something a mother and daughter could do. I had boys, so none of them want to make jewelry with me. So there we go. Move them out of the way. And, oops, I had one stuck. Thanks for watching. That's a simple little blue pair of earrings that y'all can make and have a mother-daughter day and make some earrings. They don't have to be that long. You can do shorter ones, longer ones. Just get creative. Well, y'all have a good day, and like and subscribe, and if you stuck it out to the end, thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.